Hello YouTube. So I bought a Keurig K compact coffee maker from Amazon. It was a Prime Day deal. And also with that, I also bought a K-Cup reusable coffee bean filter. I got everything ready here, but the thing was, I couldn't fit this damn cup inside the chute. So I was trying to research, looked everywhere, even read the manuals for both the coffee maker and the filter. Apparently there's no information how to do it, so I fiddled around and this is what happened. So you basically push this up and then have that pop out, and there you go. And now you won't feel so ripped off because it is actually a good deal. You got your K-Cup and it's all ready for the K-Compact. See? And let me just rotate this. Right, because there's you can see there's a notch there. Right, and so, oh whoops. Oh, this is my first time actually, so I was just feeling it out, just so I could figure out if I can really pop it out, and it did. But it seems like I need to remove this, so you just unlock it, twist that, and you get the original filter out. Right, this is like more like an adapter. And just leave that out, and then put this in, and it's all good. Just figure out which angle will work. Yeah, I'm just spinning randomly. Well, eventually I'll find out how. Seems like it should work like that. Doesn't seem like it's gonna work like that. Okay, how about this side? No, so I'm basically just rotating it and nothing. Oh, what do you know? It's still closed. Alright, I'm just gonna test it out and see if any water leaks. So, after reading through the manual and mostly inferring, because there's really no instructions here telling me to remove the Plus Series brew adapter, but it's pretty obvious it's like the fourth piece here. It's just that it's stuck with the filter holder with this sticker. See, adapter must be attached for use in Plus Series brewers. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna remove this bottom, mostly because, as I showed you guys, if I just use the top and the filter, it's pretty loose, and it just doesn't feel right. So I haven't really done it. We're gonna just strip out the sticker and pull down the bottom. So I'm ruining the pristine condition. I'm just stripping out the sticker. Right. No, it's conveniently lets me without any sticker residue right there. So there we go. The sticker's out of the way. So let's just remove this. If you see right there, the handle thing, it's like the only direction you can go is downwards or vertical. So yeah, it's pretty obvious it's just eventually gonna pop out. Yeah. Just put this down and wait. Oh, it's pretty hard. I hope it don't break it. This thing's really hard. I'm not so sure now. It's supposed to pop out. I mean, the picture is showing you can do that. Not gonna give up yet. There. Okay, so what you're gonna do is, I pulled backwards first. So for the adapter So you see the hook right there. Just to loosen it, what I did was just pull back on this one, push down. Actually, if you pull back, it might even tighten some more. But you know, it's now loose. A few seconds ago was there. Right. So the Plus Series brewer adapter is now out, and this is what we have. Right. And we're just gonna put back the filter and lock it. Lock it. You're gonna have to look for the notch. Notch is, yeah. Notch is over there. So unlocked position and then twist the left clockwise and there. Okay, now we can try putting in the filter. And it fits snugly. Perfect. And that arrow is supposed to point inwards. And the lock should show that. I mean, it should be facing you. And I'm just gonna assume that, you know, if you want to use the cups you buy that are pre-made, you just have to pop this out. And this just shows you can always either use coffee beans or the cups you see that are all pre-made, pre-packed. Right. And you have to put this back. I'll make a video if you need to, but I don't think so. I still don't have any of the pre-made or pre-packed cups. So thank you very much and enjoy your coffee. Alright, just to show you guys before really ending this video, right? So the filter, the K-cups right there. It's just air inside. There are no beans. And there's water, and now it's preheating. And you got your cup right there. I'm just waiting for the brew to end. I mean the heating of the water. And then I'll show you that it's going to release some hot water. And there you go. Started off shaky with the water spewing all over. And now it's just all vertical. And it looks good. Even the water steaming. Right, by the way, just one more thing. Before popping this out, I was a bit hesitant about doing it. Just because there was this warning right here. Caution, sharp needles. So you could see there are arrows pointing at certain portions of it, but actually the needles are actually up there. Right, that's how it pierces through all the pre-made cups. Right there, so you don't have to worry, because the sharp stuff, they're up there, not really anywhere on this original cup holder. Right, it's all plastic. Right, thank you.